Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to successfully create an account on both. So let's get started. You open your boat, you sign in with Google, or you can use your phone number, and you can use so make sure you use the number you're going to get WhatsApp verification. So I'm going to click on continue. So they're going to send a message to your WhatsApp for you to verify. So just wait for it. Okay, I think the code is there. So I'm going to go and check my WhatsApp to get the code. Now what to do is go to your WhatsApp, click on your WhatsApp, and let's see if there's a code given there. So I'm going to find my code. I think there's code here. This is the code. So I'm going to copy that 7988. I'm going to go back to my boat app to input the code 7988. You can see it's automatically filled. So what to do is click on sign in with Google. Let's wait for it. It's still loading. Yeah, as I'm waiting, guys, subscribe please. Alright, I think it's a network or a server. I don't think it's network, so let's wait for it a little. It's being creating, so let's wait. Yeah, so I think it's the girl back here, so I'm going to input it again. 06473. I'm going to click on continue. Okay, so you can see it's automatically filled. Once you put the number that is on your phone, I think I will going to say set up later. So you can see you can put any debit card or anything, and this is it. Very easy. Okay guys, so you can see where to you want to go to anywhere, you want to do anything, always arrive on time. You don't need to stress yourself. Just call them, just message them on WhatsApp, and very easy. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.